What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So, let's get to it. So today, like I said, we're going to be doing an unboxing, which is a little bit different than cooking, but it has to do with cooking. And I'm so excited for what's underneath this. You guys have no idea. I've probably wanted this particular item for, oh hi Joey. I probably wanted this particular item for, there's a bunny right there. I probably wanted this item for, oh gosh, I don't even know, years, I would think. And I've always just gotten by with other utensils and other kitchen products, and so I am just so excited to finally have this. Got it for Christmas, and I've been waiting to do an unboxing for you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive right into this bad boy. I'm sure many of you have it. If you don't, that's what this video is great for. But today we're gonna be unboxing, that's right, the KitchenAid stand mixer. I am so excited for this. Like I said, I've wanted this for so long, and now I'm waiting for you guys to do this with. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pop this bad boy open. I already cut it open just to make sure that I had everything in it, but I haven't had a chance to play with it. I haven't had a chance to cook with it, anything with that. So when we open it up, we have our little thank you, or merci, gracias, from KitchenAid, which is nice. It looks like they have some recipes here, not recipes, oh, what is it? Just nice pictures. Okay, so that's, okay, so it kind of shows you all the different attachments that they have. So you see it's got all the different attachments you can get with it. Not what comes in the box, but it shows just, I guess, what you can get with it, all the different bowls. Hey, they have a black one. That's awesome. Oh yeah, if you haven't seen from the box here, I got the matte black one. Kind of a funny story, I was gonna get the Pro stand mixer in a nice, amazing, brilliant blue, but when I went to get it from Best Buy, they had sold out, and it was like a Black Friday thing that I was trying to get, and it was like $300. It was amazingly cheap for the Pro mixer. I think it's because they're coming out with a brand new one, I believe. But this one was like $270. This is the Artisan. Yeah, this is the Artisan one. A lot of people have this one. I've heard great things about it, so I was fine getting it. And I'm not a professional baker, nor am I doing it for anything other than home cooking and for you guys. So I figured this one would be just fine, and it'll fit a little bit better on my counter, and it won't be as tall and take up as much room. But I got the matte black. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna show you guys, and it's gonna be fantastic. Okay, so let's see, what else we got? We have, in the side, we have our little manual of showing how to cook and all the accessories and options and the things that, you know, most people will never actually open again. With the warranty card. Let's see what else we got here. Got some styrofoam packaging, and inside is, oh, it's that plastic attachment that you put so you can feed stuff in without it exploding out of you. That'll be really nice, and I actually have a little hack for that. If you don't have one of these, you use a paper plate. So use a paper plate, and what are you guys doing over there? Sorry, bunnies are making a ruckus over there. But yeah, so you use a paper plate, and that's how you pour stuff in. You can do it slowly, and that stops things from exploding while you're doing your stand mixing. So, okay, we got our first attachment. This is our paddle attachment, and it doesn't have the rubber side to it, but you know, that's okay. This will be good for mixing, and it'll be good for our dough. Put that off to the side here, along with our plastic cover. And I'm gonna, oh, here we go. Just go ahead and pull. There we go. All right, there we go. We got our dough scraper, so that's awesome. Or a dough mixer. Okay, so already attached is the whisk. So it came with 3 attachments. So we have the whisk for whisking, we have the dough mixer for doughing, and then we have our paddle mixer for paddling. Okay, set those to the side, and then it's got this nice stainless steel bowl, so that's pretty cool. So I might end up swapping this out for the glass one later on. Hi, Joey. I may swap this one out for the glass one later on, but honestly, this metal one is gonna be perfect anyway. And as you can see, it's got this nice, that goes in. It's got this nice black matte finish. And we got the quartz, so that's pretty much about it. It's got all the different accessories that you can just kind of stick on here. There we go. Just kind of nicely turn that for whichever side you're cooking on. That's pretty sweet. Got your different adjusters, little clippy to lock it in, so that way it won't go, and then pop it down. One thing that I really liked about KitchenAid was just how easy it is to attach these. Now, I've had the stand mixer, or not the stand, I've had the hand mixer for, gosh, I don't even know how long I've had that thing, and it's been amazing. And you know, I felt like it was just time to upgrade to something a little bit more heavy duty, free up some time so that way I can put stuff in, it'll mix it, I don't have to hold it, I don't have to find a stand for it, it'll just kind of do it for me. But I'm so excited to bake with this and with you guys, and we'll just kind of go from there. I don't think it's something that you absolutely have to have in your kitchen as a stand mixer. It's super nice if you do a lot of baking, or you like to bake and you want to just kind of put stuff in, let it do its thing, or it has to sit for an extended period of time. Because I know I've spent 12 minutes standing at the counter just holding my my hand mixer and just going. It's a KitchenAid as well, and I love it. And I probably won't get rid of it for quick stuff. I'll probably still use the hand mixer, or if this is already put away and I just want to pop it out real quick. But no, this is so cool. I'm so excited for this. And we're gonna make something, so let's just cut to that, and we're just gonna see this bad boy in action. So this thing weighs about 23 pounds, so I recommend putting it on the counter and finding a good spot for it, so that way you're not constantly lifting it up and down. I took measurements, and this stand mixer stands about 14 inches tall, so make sure that you have a good spot where it's not gonna hit your cabinets, and it's gonna be a little bit taller once you tilt that bad boy up. So just take that into account. It's about 9 inches wide. That's with the bowl, so it's a little bit narrow if you take the bowl off, but if you need it for storage, look for about 9 inches, maybe a little bit more, so it's easy to slide in there. And it's about 13.5 inches deep, so that's from front to back, and so that'll be good for if you're putting this away in storage, or if you have a very short counter. It's just, it's a pretty big thing, but I mean, as far as stand mixers go, this is pretty much the pivotal like stand mixer. You can't really get any other ones and just be as cool or as iconic as the stand mixer. Now, it comes with a variety of attachments. That's what that little silver knob is on the front. You just unscrew it and pop that off, and then you've got hundreds of attachments. I mean, just there's anything from dough presses, there's slicers, so you can basically make this thing into like a food processor if you really wanted to. There's just all kinds of functionality for this thing, and I mean, anything and everything. It's kind of like a one-stop, which is great. And I love that the attachments are so easy to get on and off of this thing, so you don't need to like press any buttons. You just gotta kind of twist and it pops off, but at the same time, like while it's doing it, it's never fallen off for me, no matter how fast I've had it going. It's a 10-speed mixer, which you really don't need to go up to 10 very often, but it's nice to have that ability that you can really just like get it going, especially for like doughs, or if you're whipping cream and you really just need those stiff peaks. It's perfect for that. It's a 5-quart bowl, which you can replace for bigger ones, smaller ones, which is nice. You can get glass ones, you can get ornate ones. It's really nice to just have that versatility with these. And I mean, the amount of colors that this thing comes in, it's outstanding. Just the variety. I think on their website they currently say 47 options, but I mean, I know there's more, so you can get an older one if you're looking for a specific color, or they're changing them and they're coming out with them all the time. It's just a powder coating that they're putting on these stand mixers, so I can only see just the volume of colors really just expanding more and more. And this stand mixer is 320 watts. That's the size of the motor. So this thing can tackle pretty much anything that you throw at it. And I mean, I haven't had any issues with any of the cookies I've made, the doughs, obviously the whipped cream is super easy, but I have not had any issues with this thing since I got it, and I am just in love with it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you guys have the stand mixer. Let me know what you guys bake with this thing. Any tips, tricks. I would love to know that down in the comments. But make sure you're subscribed so you're never missing out on a video that we're coming out with next. But I hope that you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye, guys.